How old are you, boy?
10.
10. The things I do for love.
Let me go! Let me go!
Shut your mouth! Look at me! Look at
Your grip.
It's nothing.
He's choking!
Dracarys.
I am the brother of Elia Martel. And do you know why I've come all the way to this stinking shit pile of a city? For you?
Who released you? Your brother, I expect. He always had a soft spot for you. Come, we'll go and talk in my chambers. This is how you want to speak to me?
Silly wife. I have only loved one woman. Only one. My entire life. Your sister.
Where's my father? No, you can't do this! Father, where are you? Please, let me see my father! Father, where are you? Don't let her do this! Please, let go! Let me see my father! Where are you, please? Hold the door! What's the matter?
Hold the door! Don't!
Shame. Shame. Shame.
Bitch!
Shame.
Leave one wolf alive, and the sheep are never safe.
I'd hate to die like your son, clawing at my neck, foam and bile spilling from my mouth, eyes blood red, skin purple. Must have been horrible for you, as a king's guard, as a father. It was horrible enough for me. A shocking scene. Not at all what I intended. You see, I'd never seen the poison work before. Tell Cersei. I wanted to know